Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 BMW 328i. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include rain-sensing wipers, front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, a trip computer, automatic dimming door mirrors, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and power front seats. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing BMW's rigorous certification process. Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. Come on in and take a test drive.